That's how I have an orgasm.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Are you a fucking... I'm not going to ask you this shit. It's just two dudes. No. All right, anyway.
Do you fucking sniffle when you orgasm?
I almost let that shit fucking slide out. Fuck that. Damn, dude. I've been on a fucking roll these past couple days doing some fucking homosexual shit. Fuck. Hey, do you moan like
moan
this?
in your girl's
Oh,
ear?
God.
Dude,
I can't believe I... Oh, God. I almost asked you that. Ah, fuck. I gotta do something manly like throwing an axe.
I just fucking yell weird shit in her ear.
I don't even want to know. Wait till fucking Alexa and fucking Andrew here. Just write it down because I don't want to talk about it. I feel weird already.
Just wait for Alexa to be here.
I need to go axe throwing or fucking shoot something.